And here are the cutouts all installed from the bottom. As you can see, you didn't lose much ground clearance. And got them tucked up pretty nice. So we'll go up top and see what she sounds like. Here we have customer 67 Camaro, 427 cubic inch motor. He has a 2.5 inch dual exhaust with Dynamax mufflers. We just put in some QTP electric cutouts, so we're going to hear what it sounds like with the exhaust corked up and going through his Dynamax mufflers, and with them wide open going through the cutouts. This is what it sounds like idling, going directly through the mufflers with the cutouts closed. Here we're going to open up the cutout to see what it sounds like. As you can tell, there's a big difference in sound, and that's what the cutout will get you.